The focus areas are, as I said, as we talked at length, digitalization. Before the COVID area, nobody was much aware about digitalization. Even I used to get scared when a particular project comes for digitalization. I used to get worried as to how this is going to happen. But when I studied in detail and did homework and everything, I could easily cross 400 plus digitalization projects. So digitalization is one of the tech area I can say that is going to remain for a longer time. It is not going to change as such. The LCA, low cost automation, robotic process automation, AR, VR as I told, use of augmented reality. So these are going to stay, digital twin, these are going to stay for a longer time. And these are going to stay at least for next 3 to 4 years. And use of these technologies is definitely going to add value to the customers. And nowadays we are talking about artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence and the chat GPT. So this is getting a big question as to whether that is going to hamper our way of working, whether that is going to create a question mark on the jobs of the people. But every technology that comes is always a supplement, is always an addition to, and it always helps our people and the industry to enhance the process. So that is how we should look at it. And technologies, as I said, digitalization, LCA, RCA, everything. So these are going to stay for a longer time. And artificial intelligence is going to make a drastic impact, and it is already there in place. It's not that it is coming in the future. It's already there in place, and this is going to stay for a longer time, and this is entirely going to revolutionize the way that we are working in terms of our personal life, in terms of professional life, in terms of the industry, whether it's a manufacturing industry or any industry. So this is going to stay for a longer time, and more people and the industry should focus on this as to how to adopt these technologies and make the best use of these technologies to enhance our way of working, to enhance our quality of life, and to add a meaningful impact to the opposite person, to the opposite industry that we are in.